Four charges are arranged at the corners of a square ABCD as shown in the adjoining figure. The force on the charge kept at the center O is. So, at the center we keep some charge capital Q or small q. So, on this center charge we have to find the net force. So, that will be exerted by all these four charges. So, diagonally we have plus q, but here we have plus 2q and minus 2q. So, we need to find the direction of the force. So, experienced by the charge that we keep at the center. So, at this center, so if I place one charge capital Q, say this is a positive charge. So, how it is going to experience force because of all these four charges. So, if I place a positive charge here, on this positive charge, the charge A will exert repulsive force like this, and the charge C also will exert repulsive force like this. So these two repulsive forces are equal in magnitude but opposite. That's why they cancel each other. So these two forces will cancel each other. So now these two forces will cancel each other. Now we have to find the electrostatic force because of other two charges on this on this center charge. So this plus 2q will exert repulsive force, and this minus 2q also will exert attractive force. So this plus 2q will exert repulsive force and minus 2q will exert attractive force. So the net force will be along this line BD. The net force will be along the line BD because these two forces will cancel. These two forces will cancel. So the net force will be along the line BD, along the diagonal BD.